Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Gun Club Builds. And on today's episode we are going to be unboxing the real grade Gundam Astray red frame. So, here is the top of the box in that typical real grade. Here is the front of the box. Very nice looking frame. Very different from any of the other real grades. Here is the other side of the box with all the action poses and stuff like that on it. Very nice looking model. And this does have that price, 2,500 yen. About the same as the Exia. Alright, and then since it is a real grade, we get this as well. So there is the Master Grade Red Frame Kai. And here is the Perfect Grade Red Frame. Coming to the other side, here is a High Grade Red Frame. And here is an SD red frame. So pretty cool. Now let's get to the runners. So first up, we have the, of course, large real grade stickers. A lot of stickers. We have runner A here. Runner B, the advanced MS joint in that red and white color. Runner C here. With some of the shield, the pilot figure, and the sheath for the sword. Scabbard, whatever you want to call it. Here is the D runner. Here is the E runner. Here is the small F runner. I'm very happy that this has other hand options other than the real grade moving hands. Although the real grade hands are the only one that are color separated correctly. Here is the G1, which I thought, according to reviews in this box, that this was going to be black, but it's just like a dark gray. But that's alright. And here's the very small G2, which is just the sword in that nice chrome color. Here's I, which are more sword bits in that mustardy gold. They could have plated the gold to go with the silver or the chrome, but whatever. And here is the H runner. And now, let's go to the manual. Alright, here we are. Here is the manual for the Gundam Astray red frame real grade. Here's the first pages. Just a bunch of your warnings and stuff here. How to cut out parts right, all that. How the instructions are laid out. Here's your runner count. And like the Exia, this one starts, well, there's some information here about the frame and whatnot. And then we start with the legs. So we build the legs first. And then we go to the waist. And then we build the arms. And after the arms, we get to the body here. And then we put, and then there's some information on the sword, the Gerbera Straight, as they call it, down here. Pretty cool. Although I'm probably not going to display this with the sword, because I kind of like the rifle better. So that's more on the body, the shoulders there. And then putting it all together, the body with the legs and the waist and everything, that's right there. And then there's the head unit, which isn't very much. Then there's the backpack and the weapons. Putting the shield together. There's a bunch of information about the weapons. You know, there's the beam sabers, the gun, the shield, the sword, its fists. Here's putting the sword together. And beam sabers on the backpack and in the hand. Putting the shield on, all that. And the action-based conductor. And some other stuff here. And of course the back page is just the real grade markings. All the decal placement on everything. And so, that's going to do it for my unboxing of the real grade Gundam Astray Red Frame. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Hey guys, Red Productions here. I just wanted to put at the tail end of this unboxing that I had actually planned for the unboxing of this real grade Exia, but however, when I uploaded the original video, I had used a piece of music from the Gundam 00's soundtrack, and I guess I didn't bury it enough that it wouldn't get flagged, and it got flagged, it got blocked, but I was like, okay, fine, I'll go through the YouTube editing thing and remove it. But when it got done processing, it didn't just remove the song, it removed the me talking part. And I had already deleted the original video from my computer. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to refilm that. So that's what's going on. That's why the Astray is getting out first before the Exia. So yeah, just a little quick update. Bye bye.